Alright, as we are all aware that on 5th of March 2022, our Chief Minister of Assam, Dr.Himanta Biswa have come to Karbi Youth Festival as a chief guest. And after the program on 6th, the Chief Minister of Assam had a press conference with the media of Karbi Anglong. And during his press meet, he have stated that Karbi Anglong is now known as super state. So we, the Karbi Student Associations, would like to question or would like to ask him from where did such kind of words or such kind of provisions have come up, or where he have formulated such kind of framework. Because in the Indian Constitution there is no provisions called super state. So we, the Karbi Student Associations, believe that making such comments or making such remarks is insulting the sentiments, insulting the emotions of the people of Karbi Anglong, because implementation of Article 244A is a long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong, and for that many people of Karbi Anglong have sacrificed their life, property, and many things. So, and during his press meet, he had sarcastically remarked that now Karbi Anglong is a super state. So such kind of remarks is fooling the people of Karbi Anglong, because there is no provision in the constitutions. If there is no provision in the constitutions, then there is no chances of talking about super state, that Karbi Anglong is super state. So we, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently condemn his remarks, and also we would like to tell him that if he continuously making such kind of remarks, then we, the Karbi Student Associations, will boycott him, and we will never allow him to come into Karbi Anglong for playing with the emotions of Karbi Anglong.